Rotation. Now, to carry out rotation, you need three bits of information. You need to know how many degrees you're rotating the shape, which direction, and where the centre of rotation is. Now, here we're asked to rotate shape A 90 degrees anti-clockwise with the centre to 1. So we've got all those three bits of information required. You've got the degrees, you've got the direction anti-clockwise, and you've got the centre of rotation to 1. So the first thing to do when you're asked to rotate a shape with a centre to 1 is to plot the coordinate to 1, which is there. Now, if I was doing this in an exam, I would use tracing paper. And what I'd do is I'd draw around this shape, I'd put the centre of rotation on my tracing paper, and I'd rotate the shape in the correct direction. So in this case, anti-clockwise, which is that direction, 90 degrees. And if you use your paper landscape or portrait, then you just need to turn it so it goes from portrait to landscape. Now, as I said, this direction is anti-clockwise. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the shape anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So, if you use your tracing paper to do this, you should find that this point here, now located here, this point up here will now be there, and then final point, that point here should be here, and then draw in the new shape. Now, as I said, you can use tracing paper in the exam, and I advise that you do that. You also need to draw your reflected shape, rotated shape using a pencil and ruler. Now, as I said, if you're asked to describe a rotation, you need three bits of information. You need the number of degrees, the direction, and the centre of rotation. Now, the direction and the degrees is quite easy. The centre of rotation you just have to do by drawing around your original picture and guessing where you think the centre of enlargement is, and just keep rotating your tracing paper till you actually get it to lie on top from different positions, and then write down that coordinate. But if it's 180 degrees, it actually means it can go either anti-clockwise or clockwise. It doesn't matter, and you won't lose a mark if it's 180 degrees for not putting a direction.